amongst all of the various things that we do is our interactions with our patients. So we get to see them when they were first diagnosed with cancer, which was a very vulnerable time in their lives, a very difficult time not only for themselves but also for their family members. We see them go through therapy and its challenges. We see them rehabilitate and recoup from the issues that came with the cancer and its treatment. And then we see them go back and integrate themselves into their routine lives, their family, how they interact with their children, their work, and other spheres of their lives. Many of them come years later too to follow up with us, and they would tell us about how their children are growing up. They'll show us pictures. They'll tell us about their kids getting married or having grandchildren or the trip that they always wanted to take. And that's the sense of gratitude that we experience, in the sense that we were able to participate in this person's journey and help them in some small measure to achieve their goals that were important to them. So that's the thing that we enjoy the most. I think a sense of responsibility, ownership, and perhaps most importantly, empathy. As a cancer surgeon, while I enjoy doing surgery and I enjoy helping somebody beat cancer, my most important goal is to find therapy choices or choices in their management that best fit their circumstances and their needs. Because they are a person, they're not a diagnosis, they're not an X-ray, they're not a biopsy result. What that means is that there are folks that come to us who are young. Their life goals may be very different than the life goals of somebody who's 95 years of age. They both have important life goals, but those goals may be different. And how do we best match what we can offer them in terms of help for their disease process with what they want to accomplish in their lifespan? That's what we want to do. And that can only come true if you have a sense of empathy, a sense of this feeling of kindred spirit, because what you would recommend to them, you should have no hesitation in recommending for yourself or your family member. And that's the key part of that all.